Hi, welcome to philhome.com. Today we're in Portofino South Village and we're in the courtyard section of the village, and we're going to check out this house behind me. We're going to be doing no edits, no cuts. What you see is what you get. So let's go trip this house. So as you can see, this is a corner lot. I'll just pan up so you can see the very top there. Nice size house, 2-car garage. You have the goes around the corner there. But we'll show you the neighborhood when I come back out. Let's go in and check out this ground floor. They have a lock gate here. To the left is the entrance to the garage, but we'll check that out later. Let's go into the front door here. And as you can see, when the door is open, you can see the dining room and living room there. But to the right is a TV room, or it could be used as a bedroom or office. But I'll just step back in the corner part of the room here so you can see. Lots of light and big windows. And ceiling design there, nice. And I'm gonna come down to the other side here so you can see out into your side lot, part of your lot here. But let's come around here to just show you that it does have double door set up there. And then there's an AC up in the corner. So the family just renovated this house. It's all brand new. And they only come here every Sunday just to check on the house. You can see here, this is your guest CR. And let's move on out over here. This is the living room area with a sliding glass door out to the porch there, but we'll check that out later. And you can see above the living room is a ceiling fan. And then I'll pan around this way here. So off the living room, you can see that there's the dining room. And you have a door there that's storage, and then you can see the stairways from the living room. So let's come around through the dining room here. And I'll just get to the back of the room here so you can get a good look at this. So the living room area there. And then you have a nice light above the table. And you have a little bar set up here in the kitchen with the super white granite countertops. All of this is brand new. Double sink. Got your stove down there. I mean oven and stove. And then the ref here. And more counter space and lots of drawers. Microwave there. And then through this door here you have a dirty kitchen. Access to the side of the house. And then this door here is the maid's room. So let's proceed upstairs. Let's go check out up the stairs here. Let me give you a view of the stair line. See how it all goes way up there? Really nice. So it's 3 stories. So let's go up the stairs. And so the first thing we see when we come to the second floor is there's a enclosed sliding door here to a TV room. I'll just get over here in the corner so I can pan around the room so you can see. And then this room has a ceiling fan, nice, and AC of course too. So let's go out of here. So towards the left here from the stairs, you have a CR, full CR with shower. And to the right of this CR is kids' room. I'll just pan around this room. It's got a closet space there. And then across from this kid's room we have this room. Doesn't look like anybody's using it right now. And then you have a closet too. And then this bedroom has a full bathroom and shower. So you can see. Granite countertop there. So let's proceed to the other side over here. And over here you have another kid's bedroom. And the AC is on in here. Feels nice. And over here's the door. Let's check it out. Oh, it's locked. I think someone's using it. I think that's a bathroom. So this bedroom has a bathroom. It has a nice closet space there. Let's go check out the master bedroom. We'll go up that stairs next when we come out. So in here, you can see. And then you have closet space down the side here for his and her. And then let's see if this is open. Yes. I'll turn the light on. You got dual sinks here. Brand new CR. And then shower setup here. With shower door. Nice. And then let's go check out the third floor. That's what we like to do in Phil Home here. We like to videotape houses. No cutting, no editing, no fluff. We want the video to be non-stop, just as if you were tripping this house yourself. Okay, you have an area up here. Can be used for an office or something, or a kid's room. It's got a high ceiling. You can probably hang a chandelier from there. But this owner has made a balcony out here. See that? Which, you know, you can come out here, look down at your neighbors. Just give you a little pan around of your neighbors. See, to give you an idea of the neighborhood. Really nice and quiet. You can see the Fernbrook Dome over there in the distance. So let's go downstairs and walk around the house and show you the outside of the house. Basically what the lot has to offer. So if you want to see this house, just let us know. Check out the description below for information. You can go to our Facebook. You can contact us there with your personal Facebook to Phil Home. All right, we're making our way down now. We're going to cut through the living room here. So you have this porch area. So you look over here, you have this false wall with gate, so it keeps people out of your yard. And I'll turn around here, give you a little pan of this. So you got the patio area here, and then you can even expand it here. And then the back side of the house, you see it's got a little stone trail back there. Air cons are hidden down below the wall line so people don't see it. That's nice. I don't see no air con wires all over the place. That's nice. Nice and hidden. Some people don't hide those. But this one is hidden. Very nice. So last shot of the kitchen. Let's go into the garage. So you got a vehicle in here. And if you look in the back corner there, there's a driver's room with automatic garage door opener. Very nice. So let's go back out to the front of the house. I'll just let you see the neighborhood a little bit. You got this turnabout here with a little park, that kind of thing here. It's really nice. Nice accent to the corner lot. So I'll just come back around this way. Let you take a look at this. See this nice garden in front of your house. So I hope you enjoyed this tour by philhome.com, and you can check out the description below for more details on this video, or you can go to philhome.com and contact us there and see other listings if you like. But this listing will be posted there. You can contact us there. Or you can go to Philhome Facebook and you can contact us with your personal Facebook. So I hope you enjoyed this tour, and thanks for tripping with philhome.com.